हेलो डियर्स। इस वीडियो में हम अपर लिम्ब ऑस्टियोलॉजी के बारे में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज पढ़ेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं। विच बोन इज लोकेटेड इन द आर्म? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ह्यूमरस। द लेटरल बोन ऑफ द फोर आर्म इज विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, रेडियस। The olecranon process is a part of which bone? The correct option is answer number B, ulna. The glenoid cavity is a part of which bone? The correct answer is option number B, scapula. The anatomical neck of the humerus is located on which? So the correct answer is option number B, between the head and the tubercle. Which carpal bone articulates with the radius? The correct answer is option number A, lunate and scaphoid bone. How many carpal bones are there in one hand? The correct answer is option number C, 8. Which of the following bones form the shoulder joint with the humerus? The correct answer is option number C, scapula. Which bone has the coronoid process and the trochlear notch? The correct answer is option number B, ulna. The bicipital groove या intertubercular sulcus is found on which one of the following bone? Correct answer is option number B, humerus. Which bone forms the lateral border of the anatomical snuff box? Correct answer is option number A, scaphoid bone. The trochlea of the humerus articulates with the which one of the following? Correct answer is option number B, ulna. Which feature is located on the posterior aspect of the scapula? Correct answer is option number D, spine of the scapula. Which bone articulates with both the acromion and the manubrium? Correct answer is option number C, clavicle. Which carpal bone is most commonly dislocated? Correct answer is option number A, lunate bone. Which part of the humerus articulates with the head of the radius? Correct answer is option number A, capitulum. The acromion is an extension of which part of the scapula? Correct answer is option number B, spine of the scapula. Which bone has a hook-like projection called the humulus? Correct answer is option number B, hamate. Which carpal bone is situated most medially in the proximal row? Correct answer is option number A, pisiform. Which surface feature of the radius accommodates with the bicep tendon? Correct answer is option number A, radial tuberosity. The surgical neck of the humerus is a common site for injury to which nerve? Correct answer is option number B, axillary nerve. Which structure lies between the greater and lesser tubercle of the humerus? Correct answer is option number C, intertubercular sulcus. The coracoid process serves as the attachment for all except answer number D, supraspinatus. Which part of scapula articulates with the clavicle? Correct answer is option number C, acromion. Which nerve is at risk in a mid-shaped humeral fracture? Correct answer is option number B, radial nerve. The radial groove is located on which of the following? Correct answer is option number C, posterior humerus. Which bone forms the knuckles when the fist is clenched? Correct answer is option number B, metacarpal head. The pisiform bone articulate with which carpal bone? Correct answer is triquetrum. Which part of the humerus articulates with the trochlear notch of the ulna? The correct answer is option number C, trochlea. The supraspinatus fossa lies above which structure? Correct answer is option number C, spine of the scapula. The ulnar notch is found on which bone? Correct answer is option number B, radius. Which feature of the scapula gives origin to the supraspinatus muscle? Correct answer is option number C, supraspinous fossa. Which bone has the styloid process that is more easily palpable at the wrist? Correct answer is option number A, radius. The radial head articulates with the which of the following? Correct answer is option number A, capitulum of the humerus. The intrusius membrane connects which two bones in the forearm? Correct answer is option number B, radius and ulna. Which part of the clavicle is most commonly fractured? Correct answer is option number B, middle third part. The coronoid fossa is located on which of the following? Correct answer is option number C, anterior humerus. Which bone contributes to the carpal tunnel floor? Correct answer is option number D, scaphoid bone. Which structure lies in the spiral groove of the humerus? Correct answer is option number B, radial nerve. Which carpal bone lies most lateral in the distal row? Correct answer is option number D, trapezium. Which bone lies directly lateral to the lunate in the proximal carpal row? Correct answer for this is option number A, scaphoid bone. Which bony landmark on the scapula is the origin of the long head of the bicep brachii? Correct answer for this one is supraglenoid tubercle. The deltoid tuberosity is found on the which of the following? Correct answer is option number C, humerus. Which carpal bone is most frequently fractured? Correct answer is option number B, scaphoid. The anatomical snub box is bordered medially by the tendon of which of the following? Correct answer is option number A, extensor pollicis longus muscle. Which part of the clavicle articulates with the sternum? Correct answer for this is option number C, medial or sternal end. The head of the radius articulates with the option number A, capitulum and radial notch of ulna. Which structure separates the greater and lesser tubercles of the humerus? Correct answer is option number C, intertubercular groove. Which of the following muscle inserts on the coracoid process of the scapula? Correct answer is option number B, short head of the bicep. The carrying angle is formed on between which of the two bones? Correct answer for this one is option number B, humerus and the ulna. So that's all about the MCQs on upper limb osteology. Thanks for watching my video.